What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua Mays, and this video is for anyone that's thinking about purchasing a home within the next 12 months. If that person's you, then I highly recommend that you start the process today and not wait until the last minute. So you probably ask yourself, what can I actually do today that's gonna help me in 12 months purchase a home? I thought you would never ask. The first thing you need to be doing 12 months out is getting familiar with your credit report, your credit score. If you haven't pulled a credit report already, you can pull a free credit report at Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and they're gonna give you a full executed report that gives you an idea of what's on your credit report, what's holding your credit score down, what's making your credit score go up. It's gonna tell you what derogatory accounts you have, and if there are anything on that credit report that you don't recognize, you can dispute it with the credit bureaus. This takes time, guys. If you're trying to fix anything on your credit, it's gonna take time. If you're trying to pay down things on your credit, that takes time as well. So that's why I highly encourage you 12 months in advance to pull that credit report and start working on that credit. Some things may actually take more than 12 months to work on. So if you're already familiar with your credit score and know you have to work on some things that are gonna take more than 12 months, then you are responsible to start a little bit earlier than most people. The next thing I can highly encourage for you to do 12 months in advance of purchasing that home and trying to qualify for a mortgage is save, and save more. There are so many upfront costs associated with purchasing a home. Costs such as your down payment, your fees, that are going to go to the different vendors that are involved in the transaction, as well as your prepaid. You got to prepay your homeowner's insurance and all these other different things. If you don't have cash available, savings that you've saved over time, then you need to start putting a game plan together on how you're going to save more to help you qualify for that mortgage and purchase that home when the time comes. Something else I would highly encourage everyone to do before purchasing a home 12 months in advance is speak with a mortgage loan originator, someone like myself, someone that's going to be able to look at your credit report and tell you what you can actually clean up to get you in a better position to qualify for a mortgage loan. They can tell you if you qualify now, and if you don't qualify now, what you need to do to qualify in 12 months, and they can give you an idea of what mortgage programs you would qualify for. I know I previously say save and check your credit score, but how do you know what credit score you need? How do you know how much you need to save? You're gonna learn this information by talking to a mortgage loan originator 12 months in advance of purchasing that home. Once you're able to talk to that mortgage loan originator, you now have 12 months to prepare yourself to purchase that home, and trust me, you're gonna need all 12 months of that. Sometimes people are ready to purchase a home at that moment, and some people are not. Some people have things that they need to get prepared in order for them to be able to purchase a home. So I highly encourage you to really focus on these three things: getting familiar with your credit score, saving your funds, saving as much money as possible, and talking to a mortgage loan originator 12 months in advance. If you guys have any questions regarding the home buying process or how to qualify for a mortgage or refinancing a mortgage, anything in that realm, I'll be more than happy to help you. But other than that, you have an amazing day. Peace.